What's up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria, and today I'm back with another video. So you guys, I went for this sunset look using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and a couple of other items. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, do all of those things, and let's get into the video. First things first, I'm going to be going in with the BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette. You guys, today I was going for that sunset look. So first, I'm going to start off with my crease color, which is this red. And I'm going to kind of throw in that burgundy as well, just to darken it up. And I'm just going to put that in my crease. So lots of people complain that this palette is not pigmented enough for them. But as you can see, it worked for me. I feel as if you pat the colors on instead of sweeping the colors away, then they'll be more pigmented because you're adding colors on it. So to soften up the top of the red, I'm going to go in with the yellow color, and I'm just going to pat that on top just to give it that ombre effect. And just so that I don't lose my colors, I'm just going to be going back and forth with the red and the yellows. To cut my crease, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C12. And I'm also using a Morphe brush. I'm not sure the number. I'll leave it in the description box to go ahead and cut my crease. So to get the colors as smooth as possible, I'm going to set my concealer with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. For the outer V, I'm just going to go back in with the same red that I used, and I'm going to put that on the outside. Now I'm going to throw in one different color. I'm going to use that orange just to soften up that red and give it that nice blended effect, and I'm going to put that right there on my crease. Last but not least, I'm going to take this yellow and I'm going to put it in the front corner of my eye. And there you have it, a perfect blended sunset look. I'm actually going to be a little extra and throw in some glitter from the company NYX Cosmetics, and I'm going to use that duo glue as my adhesive for my glitter. For my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetic Wet Eyeliner. I love liquid eyeliner. It's all I ever use. The favorite mascara on the market, in my opinion, is the Superhero by IT Cosmetics. You guys, this is their smaller version of it, but there is a bigger version. You guys, I love this. This makes my lashes so full, so much volume to it, and it also darkens it a lot. And I'm also going to go in with the Sauce Cosmetics lashes, and I'm just going to put that on there. So for primer, I'm going to use the Mattify Matte and Fix Primer by Makeup Revolutions. You guys, I really love this. It really makes your face matte. And I'm also laughing because my heart came out ugly, but some people don't have a heart, so... I did a video talking about this makeup company in general. This foundation is the best. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the color F13, you guys. I love this. It's my perfect shade. I don't have to use like 4 or 5 colors. Just one shade, and it's so full coverage. So if I put it on there one time, one coat will be good enough, but I'm actually going to put 2 coats on, so... So now I'm going back in with that concealer, and I'm just going to conceal my T-zone. When you see me conceal, you're going to see me bring it around my mouth. I crease a lot around my mouth, so I feel like that helps me not to crease so much. I know I look super light and ashy, but that's gonna go away. So to fix my concealer, I feel like, so that it's not so just defined, I'm going to take the leftover foundation and I'm just going to blend out the edges of my concealer. So now I'm going back in with that Tasha Buttercup, and I'm just going to set everywhere that I put that concealer. This gives me really no flashback at all. Like, I don't recommend anything else but this, but I won't knock anything else. I hear a lot of people compare the Tasha Buttercup to the Fenty, so I might get some just to review it and try it for myself. I've always contoured my face with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette in the reds. I just never really found a good bronze. So if you have any like ideas or any like products that you think will go good with my skin, if you have the same type of skin as me or same color you feel, then let me know in the comments below, because I do want to try like a bronze look. I just gotta find the perfect one. So now I'm about to sweep all of that setting powder away after I let it sit for just a little bit. You guys, make sure you do it in circular motions, because that's going to bring that contour together. So like that red I put on my cheeks to contour, that's going to bring that and everything else together. I'm also going to set my face with the Sport Fix. You guys, I like to spray my face about 2 or 3 times throughout my routine. I'm going to go in with the Infallible Pro Matte finishing powder, and I'm just going to pat that everywhere. If you ever want to like darken your let me not say darken, I'm gonna say tone down your setting powder, just put on finishing powder and it's gonna give it that nice look. As you can see, I'm spraying once again after I put that finishing powder on, and I'm going to highlight with the Too Faced Apricot in Act and a little fan brush by Real Techniques. And yeah, I'm almost done. We about to get into lips, so stay tuned. So for lips, I'm going to use a brown pencil. That's an eyebrow pencil from the company LA Color. LA Color girls. And I'm just going to outline my lips just to give it like the little ombre. I'm going for the ombre look. Just to warm my lips up, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London eyebrow pencil in the color Zen 0, and I'm just going to put that at the bottom of the red. Now I'm going in with the Liquid Catsup by Mega Last, I think, maybe Wet n Wild, I think so. And I'm just going to put that in the center just to lighten up my lips, you guys. This is, the lipstick name is called Caught You Bare Naked. And I got it for like $2, as you can see. You gotta like stay tuned on Walmart because they be throwing in a bunch of sales. That lip gloss that I used is by a company called Nick something. I'll leave it in the bottom for you guys. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I love the way it came out. If you want to see more looks like this, please stay tuned. And yeah. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video.